Hey, welcome to Mac's Garage. I'm Mac and this is my 2000 Jeep Cherokee. So we've been doing a lot of work on it, but today we are going to be taking out the headliners. We have a couple other things to do while the headliner's out, so this video is just going to be taking it out. Eventually, I will be putting this one in that has teal plaid and I'm super excited about it. We will also be adding a rear view mirror that has the backup camera and also the front camera, so when I go on the trails, you guys can see it. So as you can see, the whole headliner is like this. So we're gonna have to take down both of the mirrors. We're gonna have to take down all the trim. So that's like on the entire Jeep all the way around. We're gonna have to take down this light cover. We're gonna have to take down the speakers in the back. We bought new speaker wolves that will actually match the color of the trim since it will no longer be this tan, it'll be a dark gray. So let's get to it. So the handles have end covers to cover the screws, and we'll take all those out and then pull the trim. We got the speakers out, we're finishing up getting all the trim pieces off. There's a lot more screws in the back for the trim. Seatbelt covers have to come off as well. Time to take out the headliner. So the last piece right there. Oh. All right. So once you get the headliner down, pull it. Oh, that's good. Straight out. All right. Garbage. So that all went pretty smoothly. And looking at the roof, there's only a little bit of rust, so it's not anything to worry about. There is rust on the actual roof, and if you look at the bottom, there's little poke marks that you can see the rust is starting to come through. But honestly, we're gonna get it painted, so once it's sealed, there will be no more progression to the rust, so we're not too worried about it. So anyways, that's how you take out a headliner. Next, we will be installing the rear view camera and then installing a headliner on the next one. So lots to come, and I'll see you next time. Make sure to subscribe and comment below.